This is experimental video and I don't know whether this experiment will be completely successful or not. So watch the video till to the end and don't forget to tell me in the comment section that was this experimental video successful. So let's start. So the idea of experiment is related with the thumbnail and title of this video, and the idea is simply to put all the things empty in this video. If you have watched the video from Vsauce, then you know that the empty title is possible, and if you don't, then we are doing it here. And at the starting of the video, I said I don't know whether it will be successful or not because I'm not sure about how it will really looks like. So as said, do not forget to tell us in the comment section. So first let's see which format does YouTube support as a thumbnail. Okay, just Google it. And here is the answer. So our first objective is Allmotion because it supports PNG format too. And I have created a transparent image of resolution 1280 by 720 and I will upload it as a thumbnail. And I don't know how this transparent image will look like in thumbnail. And here you can see that there is nothing because it is a transparent image. And don't forget to tell us about this thumbnail in comment section. Moving to a second objective, a blank title. You just have to find an invisible letter like space, but it will not work. I have given 3 4 blank spaces in a title of other video and YouTube does not allow this as a title. So for this we will use a trick. Again use the Google and type zero width non-joiner and you will see this website. Just click there and copy the zero width non-joiner and paste it in the title of the video. And if you are still confused, will this trick work? Then I have to remember you have seen the result of this trick when you click on this video. There is also a zero width which you can also use, but in this video I will use zero width non-joiner as a title, which will show nothing in title of this video. So this was short information in this video, and yes, don't forget to tell us that how thumbnails look like because I still don't know how transparent image will look in thumbnail. So this was all for this video. Hope you liked it. You are watching Vision Explorer and don't forget to sub the channel for more action packed videos like this.